Welcome to the orientation program of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management under the aegis of JIA's Group Educational Initiatives. May I request our eminent dignitaries to please take their seats. Mr. Xavier Gomes, the principal of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, Mr. Aniruddha Das, the vice principal of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, Mr. Jayanta Ghosh, the dean of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, please. All right, class of 2020, welcome to your institute, your home, your campus for the next 2, 3, or 4 years, whichever is applicable for you. My name is Onurupa Pal, and I'm the administrator of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. I will be your orientation coordinator for the next few days, and I shall walk you through your entire orientation. Now, the year 2020 has been a year of uncertainties and ambiguities. Every year, we organize this program in the Institute. Nevertheless, the show must go on, and this year we've decided to do it virtually. We promise you to have fun-filled events with excitement, where you will meet a lot of industry experts, you will come across celebrity chefs, you will develop those important bonds that will last a lifetime, you will meet your class teachers, and most important, you will imbibe, or we hope that you will get those values which will remain with you all through your life. Now, with this aim, may I request the principal of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management to address the audience and motivate them. Thank you. Sir, can we have you on the stage, please?
Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. On behalf of the management, faculty, staff, and students, I welcome all of you to Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management family, Kolkata. I want to thank you for choosing Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. We are very happy and privileged that you have joined our institute. The hospitality industry is one of the largest and fastest growing industries in the world. The industry needs trained and efficient workforce for the effective running of their organization. The employment opportunity in tourism and hospitality industry is huge. Properly trained and skilled persons have a wide range of opportunity to work in sectors like hotels, motels, restaurants, hospitals, railways, airlines, ships, industrial houses, fast food outlets, community centers, and many more. One can also start their own business. Now, to work in the tourism and hospitality industry, teamwork is very essential. One has to be physically fit, disciplined, polite, smart, well-groomed, punctual, and have a good understanding of hygiene and sanitation. In the modern world, one has to be properly educated with computer knowledge, and fluency in spoken English is a must. In the tourism and hotel industry, we must remember the 6 S, which are service, sincerity, skill, smartness, speed, and smile. Many of you might be worrying about the COVID-19 pandemic situation being faced by the whole world and its effect on the hospitality and tourism industry. Some of you might be apprehensive whether you will get jobs after finishing this course. Let me tell you that this COVID-19 problem will soon come to an end, and the hospitality industry will spring back with more vigor and will be operating in full swing. This problem is only temporary. Reopening process has already started, and the authorities are slowly easing the restrictions. By the time your campus interviews start, everything will be normal, so don't worry. Initially, you may face some problems, but I can assure you that as we go along, your problems will all be solved. Do not succumb to frustration, and if you have any problems, be sure to let us know. I am sure that your association with us for the next few years will be fruitful, memorable, and enjoyable. The Institute's success will depend on you. You are the ones who will shape and mold the future of the hospitality industry in the years to come. To make the best out of your association with us, you will have to be studious, hardworking, patient, courteous, and disciplined. We hope that the hospitality programs offered by us will be of great interest, fit your profile, and provide you with a lifetime career. Thank you very much and have a good day.